Welcome back. Today we're going for a hike in Tahquitz Canyon, just outside of Palm Springs, California.
Rock and roll. Go.
Rock and roll. So stay on the trail until you get to the waterfall, and then you can dip in there if you like. This trail starts out pretty flat, but it gradually inclines. It's an elevation gain of only 350 feet, so not bad. Upon hiking the trail, further up, we caught a glimpse of the Coachella Valley below, including Palm Springs. Up we go. And you can hear the creek to my right. This is nice in the shade, huh? It's nice and cool. Here we are.
Water. Follow me.
Up we go.
Not bad. I like this.
Near the top of this hill here. Give it a little break. There's the valley out that way to the left, where we parked originally this morning. So it looks like there's two separate ways to go again. We'll hit that bridge on the way back. We're gonna head on up to that waterfall. We can visit that on the way back. Oh, just around this rock here. Up the hill.
Up the hill.
We'll go up the hill here.
Water?
This should be, yeah, maybe something for mining for gold or something. Not sure.
Gold?
If you guys know, drop a comment. I don't know. What is this thing? Some kind of mechanism. It's cool. Oh. That waterfall may be, I don't know, 15, 20 feet tall. I think there's another big one right around the corner over here. Sun's coming out. Watch your head, yeah. Okay. keep going further up. There's got to be some. I think I see it. It's a bigger waterfall down here. Go up even more. Higher, higher. Steep. Should be getting close to the waterfall soon. Ooh, big waterfall on the right. Wow. Taking the trail on the other side of the river on the way back to the car. I think it's like 2 miles each way this hike, not too bad. It's a short hike. And you can take your time stopping and taking pictures and stuff, and it takes a couple hours. Yeah, I think one way is 1.8. So I would allow at least maybe 2.5 hours if you're stopping and taking photos. I like this area, all the red rocks. It's a lot different than the other part of the trail. I like the shape of this rock, it's cool. So, okay, yeah, the trails connect at some point. I think it's taking us back to that little bridge. Cool. Yeah, I remember that. Hello there. After hiking, we made our way to downtown Palm Springs before heading home. Right in the heart of Palm Springs, along Palm Canyon Drive, we came across a statue of Sonny Bono, a tribute to the entertainer turned mayor who helped shape the city's modern identity. Then we stopped to sample some craft beer at Coachella Valley Brewing Company before continuing on to explore more of downtown Palm Springs. Along Palm Canyon Drive, you can expect to see a mix of new and classic cars, adding to the nostalgic vibe, as the city's downtown has been recently revitalized with new shops, hotels, and restaurants, before walking over to the nearby statue of Marilyn Monroe. Everybody's taking a picture on the front. This is the back side right here. Thanks for watching today's video of our hike just outside of Palm Springs. It was an incredible experience exploring the desert landscape and taking in those canyon views. Next up, we're heading to Arizona for an adventure to Antelope Canyon, a stop at Horseshoe Bend, and a visit to Grand Canyon National Park. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to hit that like button and drop a comment. We'd love to hear from you, and we'll see you again soon on the next adventure. Bye for now.